Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. It's all about the viral Grimace Shake trend on TikTok. MacDonald's recently reintroduced this colorful drink, and TikTokers everywhere have been going crazy over it. So, let's dive right into it. Alright, so MacDonald's came up with the Grimace birthday meal to celebrate the 52nd birthday of the popular purple character, Grimace. Fans went wild over it, and the internet exploded with memes and videos. But things didn't stop there. The Grimace Shake took TikTok by storm, and several trends started popping up. One of the popular trends involves TikTokers taking a sip of their Grimace Shake and then dramatically falling to the floor. They set up a crime scene around them, making it seem like the drink had poisoned them. It's pretty entertaining, and some even refer to it as the crime scene. People got creative and made jokes about Grimace being a criminal for his mischievous acts. There were other variations too, where TikTokers pretended to be taken over by Grimace after drinking the shake or gave it a bad review and then acted poisoned. This trend gained so much attention that even McDonald's themselves couldn't ignore it. They responded with a cheeky tweet on June 27th, saying, "Me pretending I don't see the Grimace Shake trend." They even updated their profile picture to match and added, "Grimace here lol" in their bio. Now, it's important to note that the Grimace Shake is only available for a limited time. So, as the promotion comes to an end, we can expect the trend to slowly fade away. And that's a wrap on the viral Grimace Shake trend on TikTok. It's incredible to see how a simple drink promotion can spark such creativity and humor on social media. Make sure to try it out if you haven't already, and let us know in the comments what you think about this trend. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.